Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and hello everyone. Today my group will present about our group project MIC1101C, which is titled Compound Interest and Annuity. So let's start. Before we begin, I would like to introduce myself and my team. I, as a leader, Muhammad Al-Husaini bin Hishamudin.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nizam bin Muhammad Nu alias Masni.
Hi, my name is Farid Daniel bin Muhammad Fadullah.
Case study 1, Compound Interest by Nizam. So, this is the formula that you can use in compound interest. So, this is case study 1. When we look at the question, you are assigned to set up a gaming PC business and have to borrow 20,000 loan for 5 years. These are two banks that you have survived for that loan. First bank we have Berjaya Bank with 5.5% compounded semi-annually, and Istiqomah Bank 5.75% compounded quarterly. Question A. Calculate the total interest charge for each bank. So the question 1, the interest that charged in a Berjaya Bank and Istiqomah Bank. Firstly, we need to find compound amount and minus it with present value to get interest amount. So we can use compound amount to solve this question. So for Berjaya Bank, S equal to 20,000, which is the present value in bracket 1 plus 0.0554 over 2 because it is compounded semi-annually and power of 10. And we get the S, which is 26,684.12. We already get the S, which is the compound amount, and we need to minus it with present value to get interest amount. So I equal to 26,284.12 minus with 20,000.
Now we need to use a present value formula and apply the information into the formula.
6,284.12. For Istiqomah Bank, we just use the same formula like before. So S equal to 20,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0575 over 4 power
and
of
we need
20.
to use log
so the
formula.
compound amount is
Log
26,607.29. Now minus it with present value to get interest amount. So I equal to 6,607.29 minus 20,000. So the interest amount for Istiqomah Bank is RM 6,607.29 cents. So we move to the next question. The question 1, the company we should borrow the loan and give our reason. Based on question A, we should pick Berjaya Bank because it charges a smaller interest amount. And the last question for case study 1, the question told us after 3 years, the bank changed the rate to 6% compounded monthly, which is M equal to 12. And how much should we pay at the end of 5 years? Calculate the total interest paid. So S equal to 26,284.12, which the compound amount from bank that we choose in question B. In bracket 1 plus 0.06. We use the rate given in question C over 12 power of 12 times 2. So the S, which is compounded amount, equal to 29,626.4. So we need to minus it with present value. So 29,626.40 minus with 20,000. Then we get the interest amount equal to RM 9,629.40 cents. That's all from me. Now we move to case study 2 that will be explained by Al-Husaini and Daniel. Thank you.
Want to solve question 2. We look at the paragraph. Mr. Asri is a manager at company ABC Holding Berhad. He is going to retire
Now
soon
we must
and
find
would like
T.
to maintain
Now
his
we
lifestyle
get
in retirement. He has two choices. The first
1.0075
alternative
power of
is to
negative
withdraw
n
the
equal to
3,005,000 ringgit from his KWSP account and invest in the whole amount in the account of an annuity scheme that pays 0.9% compound monthly. This way he will get 10,000 every month until the account is empty. Joining a private retirement plan is another choice. Under this plan, he will get 10,000 every month for 28 years. Okay, for question A, which option should Mr. Ashri choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculator. How to solve this question? Firstly, we must separate into two parts, which is option 1 and option 2. In the statement, A equal to 3,005,000 ringgit, then R equal to 10,000 ringgit, and I equal to 0.09 over 12. Now we need to use a present value formula and apply the information into the formula. Now we must find T. Now we get 1.00075 power of negative n equal to 0.7375, and we need to use log formula. 0.7375 over log 1.00075, and we get negative n equal to negative 40. We have no m equal to 12, and we need to divide it by 40, and the answer is 34. Option 2 is 10,000 in bracket 12 in bracket 28, and we get 3,360,000 ringgit. Now we look at this option, what is last year, and we write the answer. The answer is option 2. We use A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 12 power of negative 60, and we get R equal to 100.74. Now we need to find the interest. I equal to in bracket 200.74 in bracket 60 minus 9,900, and we get the interest is 2,144.80 cents. Okay, that's all from A and B.
C1, the question is, if he wants to settle all of the loan immediately after paying the 12 monthly payment, how much additional payment does he have to make? First, we have to find the monthly payment. The 60 monthly payments minus to 12 monthly payment, and you will get 40 monthly payment. So, we will use formula A equals to present value, which is So, we will use formula present value to find additional payment. After we enter the information into the formula, the answer for additional payment is A40 equals to 7,027 ringgit 71 cents. Next, for C2, the question is how much interest paid that we will get. We will use formula I equals to R times by N minus A. Get into formula, it will be interest equals to 270 cents times by 40 minus 7,027 ringgit 71 cents. And the answer will be 1,001 ringgit and 89 cents. The last question D. The question is, if he has not paid his first 3 monthly payments, how much should he pay on his fourth payment to settle all outstanding arrears? So we will use formula future value to find it. The S will be S4 because he needs to settle all outstanding arrears on his fourth payment. After we solve the calculation, the answer will be S4 equals to 811 ringgit and 3 cents.